हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लीगल एज आफ्टर कॉलेज। आईआईटी खड़गपुर का हमारा सिलेक्शन रुक ही नहीं रहा है। एक और नया सिलेक्शन है जो मैं आप लोगों के बीच लेकर आई हूँ। तो हमारे बीच में है जोहा, जिन्होंने अपना आईआईटी खड़गपुर आराम से क्लियर किया है। अब जोहा से हम जानते हैं उनकी प्रिपरेशन जर्नी एंड स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में। So hi Soha, first of all, many congratulations from me, Legal Edge After College, for your selection.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
How are you feeling? कैसा फील हो रहा है?
I'm feeling very happy, very motivated for future endeavors.
That's very nice. अच्छा, अगर व्यूअर्स को जो ये एग्जाम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उन्हें जानना हो कि what exactly did you do to clear this examination?
Ma'am, I did not do anything unique. I think whatever the strategy was that was told to us in the classes, I just followed that. Also, the mock test helped me a lot. I did all the mock tests, and it helped me so much that when I was giving the exam, I was feeling that I was giving a mock test only. I was very calm. I was like, I can do this. So it kind of helped me prepare mentally for that time of exam.
तो अगर हम स्ट्रैटेजी की बात करते हैं, तो व्हाट आर योर टिप्स ऑन स्ट्रैटेजी के इस एग्जाम को क्लियर करने के लिए और आईआईटी का टैग लेने के लिए क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए?
I think first, foremost, though, you should complete the syllabus because it's vast. All the small laws, there are minor, major, every law is equally important. And also, we should know that where to stop in minor laws because all the acts are very lengthy, especially labor laws and everything. So, yeah, so syllabus completion, I think, first thing, and practice. A lot of practice.
That's great. That's great. So usually students CLAT prepare करते हैं, ALET prepare करते हैं, तो CLAT और ALET से इतनी ज़्यादा familiarity बढ़ जाती है. How this exam is different from the other exams like CLAT or ALET preparation में या फिर attempt करने में भी?
I think CLAT is obviously little uh, I should say, based on the current events and the judgments. You should be a little bit updated about the legal affairs happening in the country. And for IIT KGP, it's the principal values and laws that you should know, the basics of laws. I think that should be more uh, clear to you if you're going
In
to
other
it.
words, CLAT is more application based,
Yeah,
whereas IIT Kharagpur is more conceptual based.
yes, ma'am. That
अगर
would.
तुम्हें अगर आपको स्पेसिफिकली अगर सब्जेक्ट वाइज सब्जेक्ट बात करनी हो तो व्हाट आर योर वर्ड्स इन योर एक्सपीरियंस किस तरह के क्वेश्चन सब्जेक्ट्स में से पूछे गए थे?
Ma'am, some of the questions are like very direct questions, like what is the maternity leave for women in case of adoption. So this is like a direct question. And also there were questions I can remember. They were all direct questions. I'm not able to recall now, but yeah. And if I talk about CLAT, it was all passage based. वो तो होता ही है पूरा उनका. And also very difficult in language because your command should be very good in language if you want to attempt CLAT. And I attempted CLAT, and also I got 863 rank in that. But the counseling is awaited, so let's see what happens.
So, what are the important subjects to focus on while attempting IIT Kharagpur?
I think all the major laws, IPC, CRPC, procedural laws, especially because they are a little bit difficult to do. What I feel, but uh, they carry a good percentage of marks, and never leave minor laws. That is one thing, because these are also important equally.
Oh, great. So, most important question. How is legal edge after college helped you during your preparation, or is there anything we did?
Actually, legal age after college is actually the reason I kind of started my journey because My friend was enrolled already for the CLAT preparations. I did not enroll in that course. But then with her, I gave the exam, and then I got so much motivated with the rank that I got the recent rank. So I was like, okay, I think I can do it. Then I started my journey with Legal Edge for IIT KGP because I also want to try once more. Let's see, मैं preparation करके कितना कर पाती हूँ. So then it started, and first of all, the classes are interactive, so that's the best thing. So I don't get bored or मुझे बहुत lethargy feel नहीं होता था. I was excited for the classes and everything, and especially the mocks are the best things. It is stress buster for me. मतलब बहुत ही मजा आता था मुझे mocks करने में. वही I think the reason. Mocks was very elaborated from every subject. The questions were there. So कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि यार ये तो छूट रहा है, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस इस सब्जेक्ट से नहीं है तो कैसे होगा इस सब्जेक्ट का. तो कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा था मॉक्स में, तो जिससे हम बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्टडी कर पाए. So it went very well.
Thank you so much. If there are any words or any tips, do's and don'ts you want to give to students who want to be part of IIT Kharagpur, then what are your words going to be?
Think words would be that don't take it too much on your head that I want to clear it, I want to clear it. It will happen. You just need to be calm and consistent. You may not be able to give 100% every day, but giving some percent every day will work. I think this will be my suggestion to everybody.
Guys, you heard the suggestion from Zoha, who has already cleared IIT Kharagpur. So let everyone wish Zoha all the very best for your future in IIT Kharagpur. One tip from my end, go and buy or rent a bicycle. It's a huge campus. If you need any contact numbers, you can always contact me. I went there for my PhD interview. You are not going to survive without a cycle over there.
Okay, ma'am. I think obviously I need to work out also. The cycle will be a good workout.
But wish you all the very best, Zoha. The entire team of Legal Edge After College is very proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And if you also want to be part of IIT Kharagpur, then you can always approach Zoha, and I'm pretty sure she'll guide everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Thank you, Zoha, and once again, wish you all the very best. We are so proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.